In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show command prompt on cursor in AutoCAD. This feature is called dynamic input, and it lets the command prompt and entry fields appear right next to your crosshair, so you don't have to look down at the command line. It keeps your focus on the drawing, speeds up common tasks, and makes prompts and coordinate entry easier to follow. I will walk you through 3 simple ways to turn it on, and you can use whichever feels most convenient. First, the fastest option is the F12 key. Tap F12 once to toggle dynamic input on. Tap it again to turn it off. When it's on, start a command-like line and hover in the drawing area. You should see a small tooltip at your cursor showing prompts and fields for values like length or angle. That pop-up is your visual confirmation that the command prompt on cursor is active. If you prefer using the command line, you can enable it with the DYN mode system variable. Click in the drawing area so AutoCAD is active. Type DYN mode and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Type 3 and press enter. Setting DYN mode to 3 turns on full dynamic input, including the command prompts near your cursor. To double check, start a command and look for the tooltip at the crosshair. If you don't see it, repeat the step and confirm that you entered the value correctly. You can also control dynamic input from the status bar at the bottom right of the AutoCAD window. Look for the dynamic input icon. It looks like a small plus sign with a tiny box. Click it to toggle the feature on or off. When it's highlighted, dynamic input is active. If you don't see the icon, open the status bar's customization menu by clicking the 3-line button, then check dynamic input to add it to the bar. Once it appears, click the icon to enable the command prompt on the cursor. Try any command and watch for the tooltip near your crosshair. That's your on-face screen guide for options and data entry. Keep this feature on while you draft to reduce eye movement and improve accuracy. If you change workstations or profiles, just use one of these methods again to restore your preferred setup. Thanks for watching.